All right, today I'm working on the yard. I'm gonna straighten it up, get it tightened up, see how it ends up. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start here on the patio. Give it a good clean up. Take a look around. This is gonna get the YouTube cleanup. There we go. Much better. All right. Coffee frog in the middle. So, move on to the next step. All right. I think the next step is move all this lumber back over here so I can get my sawhorses back. So let's check it out. All right, we already started putting this in here. My dogs would run around here in a big circle and they tore up all that grass. So instead of bothering with planting, trying to keep the dogs off it and having them just tear it up again, I said, hey, I got all these pavers laying around, so let's just put them in there. I did have to get some more to fill in because I want to continue on, join up to where that is. I'll probably have to tear some of those up because it looks like it's not going to quite line up. It's not a big deal. So that's next. that's that. I know it's real uneven, very uneven, but I want to let it settle for a while before I put anything underneath there. And besides that, I don't want to work that much. So far, this gets me where I want to be. Next up, we're going to get all these lined up, and we're going to try to put some of that edging across here. We got a pile of it over here. We'll see how far we can get with this. So that we can get a nice clean edge there. Doesn't look like a hobo. All right. That's it so far. It's gonna have to wait for another video for me to dig those in. Also, Mrs. BA Life-Adelic suggested put a roll of pavers in front of there. Probably make a pretty nice edge. But I like that edge there, definite end to the grass, start of another section. All right. Well, this looks a heck of a lot better. It's not straight, not all finished. That gives us another video. But it does look better. I like the defined edge, even though it looks rough. Hopefully that'll all settle in and look pretty good. Other than that, I think we're gonna wrap it up. Ay, ay, ay. It's hot today. Yeah. Get a drink of water. So, in light of all of this hard work today, I do declare that from this day forward, in perpetuity, this will no longer be referred to as the backyard. It will be called the garden. Let it be so. Alright, YouTube, that's it for this one. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.